Hi my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee and you are viewing the How To Lady, a channel that offers information related to organization, DIYs, life hacks, and because of my subscriber family, they want to see fashion, beauty, as well as business. So we can cover all 6 of those areas because it's all about how to. And if you've seen my trailer, I have experience in those areas and I don't mind sharing it because it's all about sharing. But I do want to give a shout out to some of my YouTube subscribers. I tell you, they have really made me proud and happy. Though I'm a small channel, they are spreading the word and I want to thank them for that. So Shakira, one of my girls, she always leaves a comment. She is one of my favorite subscribers. I want to thank Tamika Exum for subscribing. You are awesome. And Lanessa, my girl. Some of these ladies are my PhD buddies. They help me do what I gotta do. I want to thank Ms. Wright. Thank you so much, Noel, for being a subscriber. And Michael, of course, you among a few men are a part of this channel. And I thank you for your comments, for your suggestions. You guys are awesome. So keep spreading the word.
Tania and Leanne, thank you for your support and keep sharing.
Without further ado, we're going to go right into our segment. This segment is about organization, and today we are going to give you a great way to store your handbags. Isn't that cool? So ladies, and even if it's your wallet or if you have a satchel, I'm going to show you a great way to store them. So stay tuned, and if you see anything you like, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and without further ado, we're going to get this ball rolling and we're going to knock it out of the park. Hello my YouTube friends. As indicated in the introduction, we are going to show you ways to store your handbags and how to organize them. And this is particularly great for individuals who have small to medium-sized closets. Now my closet is a walk-in closet, but it is not very huge at all. It has enough room for me to do what I need to do, but for the most part, I can always use additional space. So I have to think wisely as I'm storing things. The other thing is to, when you're thinking about how you want to store your items, think about how frequently you use it. And that's what I always think about when I am doing my storage for my handbags and other items in my closet. And if you haven't seen my closet tour, go and check that out. I will leave a link below so that you can have access to that. So think about the largest handbag that you have and how often you use it. Now this is one of my favorite handbags. I like backpacks, I really do. And if you saw my closet tours I indicated earlier, you know how much I like handbags. And they're all lined up in one area in my closet. But this one is one that I do carry quite frequently, but whenever I give it a break, I always try to store it in a way that it houses other things. So the larger the handbag, or the larger the briefcase, or the larger the satchel that you carry, so this is for men as well, you can store those things inside and then continue to store inside as the things get smaller. So this is going to be the last storage piece or the last handbag that I'm going to store the last piece of a purse or wallets in. The first item that I am going to begin with is this one. This is a denim bag that I don't carry very often, but I really do like it and I want to keep it. I don't want to give it away just because the space in my closet is limited. So what I'm going to do is take this handbag, and inside of it, I am going to place a few of my wallets that I don't use that often. So they are going to go inside of this handbag. And I have a couple more wallets. I have this one. And the more flexible the wallet is, You can probably fold it and not worry about a crease getting in it, just to keep, things stored in a nice, neat way. And I have another wallet here that I want to store in this bag. Now, I do realize that the next wallet, this one, is too large to fit inside of this one. So what I do is I fold the straps. If it has straps, make sure that you fold the straps in a way that's going to let it be out of the way. Now, if you can fold the straps inside of the handbag, all the better. So let's try it that way. So I'm folding the straps inside. Then I'm snapping the fastener on this particular wallet. Now this wallet is going to go inside of this handbag. And because this handbag has 2 compartments on it, we're going to zip it up. And then I have one more handbag, and this is the strap that I've already wound. And this one is going to go into this compartment on this area of the handbag. Let me zip it up, and look at there. We have at least 4 wallets and 2 handbags stored inside of this one backpack. And all I have to do is just hang this in my closet. So no matter how small the space, there is always a way to store things in a way that you can still have access to it, but when you're done using it, you can put it away in a place where it's not taking up a lot of space. So think about it. And if you've seen anything you like, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And to my subscribers, I want to say thank you so much. I gave you a shout out at the beginning of this video, and I will continue to shout out my subscribers because I appreciate you. It is because of you that I am able to provide content that is relevant. And with that said, I'll see you on the next video, and store those handbags, okay?